OpenArt has just released a new feature called Director Mode, and what it produced completely surprised me. I gave it a simple prompt. Seconds later, it generated a full 30 seconds trailer, complete with a screenplay, character sheets, storyboard scenes, background music, voiceover, camera movements, and a finished cinematic video.
They said the light was gone forever. They were wrong. But one spark is all it takes. Emberfall.
The most surprising part? I didn't upload a single image. I didn't write a story. And I didn't touch any complicated settings. So, how powerful is this new AI director? Can it really create a professional animation film from nothing but a few words? In this video, we are going to put it to the test and build an entire animated movie trailer from scratch, using only a simple text prompt. Open the first link given in the description and head over to the OpenArt website. Simply click on the Director button on the left side, and you will be taken to a simple chat-based interface. You can upload any reference images or videos by clicking the plus icon. Here, we have two modes: going step by step or simply pasting an idea and having everything generated automatically without requiring confirmation at each stage. We will test both modes one by one. By scrolling down a little, you can see a couple of examples shared by other creators that you can take inspiration from. Let's test this tool by pasting a simple idea to generate a high-quality 3D animation trailer with stunning visuals and impressive effects. I have not added any story concept, camera settings, or voiceover details. I have not even mentioned the characters or their descriptions. Let's choose the second option to generate the complete film in one go without going through each step manually. Simply click on this button, and you will be taken to this window. On the left side, you can see that the agent has started working. It has generated the concept on its own, including the characters, animation style, format, and quality settings. And here we have a complete script with a detailed concept, all the characters and their descriptions, and a complete storyboard with scene-by-scene details. Next, we have character images from different angles, along with scene backgrounds. We also have the background music. And finally, we have the completed video trailer.
They said the light was gone forever. They were wrong. But one spark is all it takes. Emberfall.
This animation trailer looks amazing, with perfect camera movements, smooth scene transitions, strong character consistency, voice narration, and background music that matches the scenes perfectly. Overall, this trailer looks amazing. This entire 30 seconds video took around 7,000 credits to generate in 1080p resolution. You may disagree with the credit consumption, but it will likely be optimized and reduced over time. Let's try another story concept. This time, I have pasted a story idea where a boy discovers a giant gorilla-like creature covered in moss and trees. When treasure hunters invade the jungle, they must work together to defend the hidden valley. I will choose the Guide Me option to go step by step. Simply click on the Generate button, and you will be directed here. Now we will select the aspect ratio, resolution, and video length. Based on the selected resolution, you can see the estimated credit consumption. I will go with a landscape aspect ratio, 720p resolution, and a video length of 45 seconds. And now we have a complete script with the full concept, character details, and a scene-by-scene storyboard. If the script does not look good, you can edit it as well. For me, it looks good, so I will click this button to move ahead. Next, we have the images for our characters and locations. Sometimes, you may notice some bizarre issues with the generated images. Simply ask the agent to correct them using simple instructions. And here we have the updated version of the images, which now look much better. Finally, we have the completed output after combining all the scenes. Overall, the video looks good in terms of motion, camera movement, and background music, despite some minor issues with certain scenes and this third character. These issues can be corrected by asking the agent to generate another version of the video with the required changes. Another great thing about this feature is that you get a complete timeline where you can make adjustments, edit scenes, and even extend clips. With this amazing tool, you can generate stunning films in no time without setting up cameras, writing scripts, or adjusting scene details. Everything is now possible with Director Mode. Take advantage of this amazing feature to create stunning videos in just a few simple steps. What do you think about this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.